This is going to be one of the best news any webmaster can hear from Google. Hello everyone, I am Manoj from Href Taylor. In today's video, we will talk about the latest updates from Google launched in November that could be highly beneficial for small and medium bloggers, business owners, and website operators. These updates have the potential to drive more traffic to your website and in turn bring more revenue to your accounts. So let's dive in and unpack this major news that's shaking up the digital world. On November 11th, Google announced the rollout of its November Broad Core update. Naturally, we all watch closely to see which types of websites would feel the impact positively or negatively. Interestingly, the first few weeks passed quietly with no visible effects. For those familiar with Google Core updates, you know this quiet period can be suspicious. It's like the calm before a storm. Then on November 19th, Google released a blog post announcing a major updates to its site reputation abuse policy. And with that, the post update websites like Forbes and CNN saw major changes. Their affiliate pages, previously dominating this search ranking with sections recommending businesses ranking on various unrelated keywords, began disappearing from search results. Entire sections were de-indexed. Now, what does this mean? Let's first understand these big players. Forbes, a renowned business magazine covering everything from major business to niche topics. CNN, a globally recognized news outlet. When you search for something like best any type of insurance, you would expect to see pet insurance providers or an expert source ranking. Instead, Forbes or CNN dominating this rank term because of their brand authority, even if their content lacked true expertise. These big brands misuse their reputation by contracting third-party vendors to create massive amount of content. As a result, their irrelevant pages often outrank quality and specialized websites. For example, Forbes might rank for topics like car repair tips, insurance tips, money related tips, and all the CBDs related products, right? This happens not because Forbes produces the best content, but because of their long-standing authority and massive web presence. The consequences of abusing authority. Forbes and similar websites were essentially gaming the system. Here's how it worked. These brands would publish irrelevant affiliate content only to promote the affiliate content product. And also they promote third-party writers to write a guest post on their website and charge huge chunk of money for that guest post. Their authority would help them rank above niche, high-quality website. They would include links to actual business earning revenue from referrals. So not only were they stealing traffic and visibility from genuine business, but they were also profiting from it. This is the very definition of site reputation abuse. So Google's new policy, site reputation abuse. In response, Google rolled out stricter version of its site reputation abuse policy on May 5th, 2024. But initially, the policy lacked teeth, targeted content from third-party vendors, but allowed websites to claim that their core team was responsible for the content, thus avoiding penalties. Then in September 2024, a major turning point occurred. Lars Lofgren, a prominent SEO expert, published an in-depth expose revealing how Forbes advisors manipulating search ranking. This viral article forced Google to take action. So what are those actions? And here are the breakdown of Google's updated policy. Even if a website core team publish irrelevant content, it will be considered site reputation abuse. Any partnership or ownership ties to the third-party vendors that generate revenue through unrelated content will fall under abuse. Publishing content unrelated to the website's main purpose for financial gain is now punishable. What this means for small publishers? Post-update search results are seeing a major shift. When you search for best car insurance or best pet insurance in the US, you will find smaller specialized website, genuine business provider with relevant services. Big names like Forbes and CNN are nowhere to be found. This is a game changer for a small and medium publisher. If you have authority, expertise, and relevant content, you will benefit from better visibility and increased traffic. So Google's win-win situation. Let's not forget this update benefit Google too. It's a holiday season in the US with Black Friday and Christmas around the corner. Forbes and similar companies now have to rely heavily on Google Ads to regain visibility, which means more revenue for Google. What about you? Have you noticed any change in your website ranking? Has this update helped or hurt your business? Let us know in the comment section below. Your feedback helps us understand the market impact of such updates. If you are an e-commerce agency owner and struggling to rank your website higher on Google, send us your website link for a free audit where I will analyze your website and give you the exact actionable strategies how you can rank your e-commerce store faster on Google. I have helped hundreds of business owners. You can check my previous e-commerce results videos links in the description. I have helped generate more than 500,000 monthly revenue within 90 days. So if you want similar results, just send your website link for a free audit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Take care.